Hey guys, just wanted to do a short video on my Fender Eliminator / tidy tail, whatever you want to call it, video for the MT-09. The kit that I used is from Yamaha, and that is the part number right there. I like the Yamaha because it's very factory-like. I was able to use the stock blinkers as well as the reflectors. But here's a good part. If you want it more stealth-like, you don't have to use this bracket. It's just everything all sandwiches together, so you could go without that. I kind of like the factory look. This is very heavy duty. It's metal. Also, install this. It gives you the wiring harness because you go from 2 into 1, and Yamaha, the kit, included all of this so that you didn't have to tap into your wiring, you just plug and play. Install time, they say, is 1 hour. I could easily do another one in an hour, but this took me 2 hours. You know, it's kind of, taking this stuff apart and putting it back together, know the correct order. The instructions were really good. I'm typically a slow mechanic, very meticulous, take my time, and I'm not in a hurry, but I think this kit looks really nice. Here's the factory one. This is all that came off. So the fender came way out to here. As far as functionality, it's wonderful in the rain. I get why they do it, but it just doesn't look good, especially on a bike that's so stripped down like this one. You know, they really wanted it to give you the Street Fighter look. Here's something interesting though, when I started taking off, because you have to use parts from the original. I'm just wondering, it's got the mounting holes here, right? Could you somehow just take it apart, and give you almost a factory look without all that other? I'm sure there's some obstacles. One thing that I liked about the original too was, let's get in here. This is how you would get to your key. Got this little guy that opens up. But the new one is not. You got this little guy right here. This pops out. Really easy. Not as nice as the factory, but it's a very close second. But anyways, just thought I would, if you guys are on the plate of using this system or not, give you a good idea of what it would look like. Don't have much room in my garage, I'm kind of cramped. But you can kind of see, it definitely cleaned it up. I know I'm gonna get a little slack with the reflectors, putting that on. Of course, I didn't have to do that. I might eventually take that off. Also, you get rid of the tag light, and it's a little stick tag light that they give you right here. And it might look better with smaller blinkers, but I don't care. All right, well, thanks for watching this video. Hope it was of help to some of you, and I'll see you on the next one.